almost killed us on the way here. You looking forward to it?
The drive?
Yeah.
Not really. I hate these bikes.
If Andrew had a choice, he would just walk everywhere.
Dude, so I feel like I should explain why I hate the bikes. And it's because I just feel like at any moment we're about to get smashed by a car/truck.
I think all the drivers around here are probably used to everybody on bicycles and stuff, so I think they're looking out for us. Even if we're not quite looking out for ourselves. GoPro died, so hopefully I got some footage of us getting through traffic on our bicycles on the way back from Coco, Tulum. But now, well, we came back, we got massages in our room, and then now we are headed to ATM because we're running out of pesos. And then there is this like food truck plaza thing right by the place that we were staying, so we're gonna check that out for dinner.
I guess my love is for the ocean, not for you. No, not for you.
Hey guys, just finished breakfast, and today is probably going to be a pretty boring day for us here in Tulum because our legs are a little sore from doing the jungle gym and from like riding our bikes everywhere and just all the walking and stuff. So we're just going to take it easy today and hang out by the pool at the place that we're renting. Sorry if it's a boring vlog. We are creatures of habit and going to the same taco stand. What'd you call a taco stand? Taqueria?
Taqueria, I like that.
Going to the same taqueria that I think we've been at every day for lunch, except for maybe one day.
I think this is our third time.
Yeah, so third time in 4 days. I don't know how long we've been here. Anyway, we're gonna go to the same taqueria that we've been to a bunch. Super cheap and some of the best tacos we've ever had. Well, we are full from lunch, and that was about $7 US, 162 pesos. So, falling on a budget in Tulum. Sorry if yesterday's video was a little boring. I mean, all we really did was hang out because our legs were so sore from biking and walking everywhere. So we just kind of laid around by the pool and then later got dinner and then just watched a movie and went to bed. It's now 7:50 in the morning. We got up early because we were going to the Gran Cenote, and everyone says you need to be there as soon as it opens, otherwise like there's no spot anywhere for you, as everybody tries to take pictures and everything, so it's like one of the most popular cenotes. So I'm also not sure if I can bring my GoPro, so I'm probably just gonna leave that and take whatever on my phone. Yeah, that's what we're doing now. Hopefully we can get there like 5 minutes or something right after it opens. Hopefully it's not too crowded. Bye. turns out I could have totally brought my Cenote, or my Cenote. Turns out I could have totally brought my GoPro to the Cenote. A bunch of other people actually had like professional cameras and stuff there, so I don't know if that's a new thing. I don't know if some days they just decide to check your bags and make sure you don't bring them, or if the internet is wrong. But we are back to our Airbnb after having breakfast and go to the Cenote super early on a weekday because there was like no one there, and it was pretty cool. But yeah, so now we're about to go drop off some laundry. Get the lighting right. Go and drop off some laundry because tomorrow is our last full day in Tulum, so we want to go to Colombia with clean clothes. Oh, and look at how cute the house dog is here. He's hanging out on our porch. Hey, buddy. Aw, you're so cute. I love him. Laundry. It's our last day in Tulum. So honestly, this is kind of like an errands day. We're gonna go to the beach one last time because who knows, the next time we'll have a beach. And drop the bikes off, get some lunch, pick up laundry, maybe grab some souvenirs for some people. But that's basically all we've got going on today. Beach club we were just at, don't go there, it's not worth it. Drop the bikes off to Ola bikes. I feel like I need to explain the last clip a little bit better. So the reason why I said like don't go there to Los Dios,
La Diosa.
La Diosa, wow, see, I don't even remember what it's called. Honestly, it's just not worth the price. It just isn't. It's not as good as like other places you can go for like the beach access. We obviously don't know what it's like to stay there overnight. All the reviews seem pretty good, so I'm sure like staying at the hotel is really nice. But for the beach access, you can get a lot better amenities going to like Coco, Tulum on a weekday, and it's 100% cheaper. It's like $10 US cheaper, which I mean for much better amenities in our opinion. So I just wanted to explain that clip. I mean, it was nice, just didn't think the price was worth it.